Sometimes, when modeling, the model becomes very slow. We can get around this by breaking the system into smaller systems. This is how long it currently takes to draw a small pipe. In this case, it took 15 seconds. Not good enough when it should be almost instant. "40 seconds to draw 2 pipes. Let's fix this." By the way, deleting the pipe also takes a long time. Now, ensure that you are in a 3D view where you can see all your systems. We will separate our level to pipe from the rest of the building by cutting a joint and deleting the connecting pipe. Going forward, I will skip the deleting and disconnecting. It takes a long time, and you have already seen how bad it is. Keep an eye on the Properties panel and note the system name SPK12. Hover your mouse over a pipe and tab 4 times until the dash lines show. Then click to select the system. You will know that the system is selected when the system properties are shown. Note the volume of the system SPK12, 18.789 liters. This is the key value that we are trying to reduce because every pipe we draw prompts Revit to calculate the volume of the whole system. With the system selected, click Delete in your keyboard. Give it a minute and the system will be deleted. You might need to repeat these steps, select and delete the system for multiple systems are connected, as it might be picking up the next system that is connected to your pipework. Select a few pipes randomly to check. The system should be set as undefined. If it is not, repeat the previous step until it is. Let's draw a pipe. Make sure you are in the correct system type, sprinkler in this case. and see what the difference is. Previously 40 seconds to draw to pipes. It took 3 seconds after the system is splitted. Click the Tab key 4 times to select the newly created system. You will see that it has gone from 18.789 L to 580 litres. As you would imagine, it takes Revit much less time to calculate this value. To maintain order amid the chaos, I name the sprinkler zones or areas. You can delete the new pipe. We only used it to assign the system to our pipework. Now it is so much faster. If your system is still too big and slow, you can break it further into smaller systems. I find that between 2,000 or 3,000 litres, it starts to get sluggish. I will now repeat this process for the other areas, zones, since much of my pipework systems are still undefined. If you connect it by the riser, where we initially disconnected the system, all the undefined pipework will become one system and you will be back on square one with a big and slow system. Here I am only testing the speed to see if I need to split my new east zone further, but it seems fine. Once your floor is broken into smaller workup systems, go to the riser, where we disconnected, and align the pipe to the fitting. Please ensure that the pipe length is correct to avoid fabrication issues. As you repeat your process over the other floors, all your pipes will eventually end up with a system. No pipe systems should be issued to clients as undefined.